Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your phone as an Xbox controller. First, you'll need to download the official Xbox application onto your smartphone. Once installed, simply sign in with the same Microsoft account you use for your Xbox console. It's crucial that both your phone and Xbox are connected to the same home network for everything to work smoothly. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Once connected, your phone transforms into a convenient remote for basic console navigation. You can effortlessly browse your Xbox dashboard, launch games, or manage media applications like streaming services. This is perfect for those moments when your primary controller is out of reach or needs new batteries. It offers a simple, intuitive way to interact with your console. For a more immersive experience, Xbox Remote Play allows you to stream games directly from your console to your phone. Many titles offer responsive on-screen touch controls, letting you play without a physical controller. However, for optimal performance and precision, consider pairing a dedicated Bluetooth controller with your phone. This setup provides a console-like feel, even when you are away from your television. To truly optimize your phone as an Xbox controller, a robust Wi-Fi connection is paramount. It significantly reduces any potential input delay. For serious gaming, exploring third-party mobile accessories that physically attach to your phone can greatly enhance your experience. These devices offer tactile buttons and joysticks, mimicking a traditional controller and providing superior control for a wide variety of games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.